let's get right to it. Well, let's play this impossible game. Apparently it's telling me that it's impossible. I'm gonna prove it wrong. Tell me what color. Oh, okay. This is not the type of impossible game that I was. Okay. Getting serious. Oh, crap. Okay. I'm thinking. Alright. Okay, you wanna play it like that, box? Piece of, ooh, yeah. This is gonna take extreme concentration, obviously, because I suck. Get in your Zen, Mari. Get in Zen mode. Zen mode. Ah, piece of crap. Oh, penis. Twin Peaks. Is this the whole game? I'm thinking this is the whole freaking game. Jump over the dam. Just jump over the shit. This is called the impossible game because it's impossible to not yell at your goddamn TV when you're playing this. There's just two freaking shapes on screen and you can't hit anything. And the music is so repetitive. And it starts over at the exact same time every time you play it. Time expired. That is a good time to stop playing this game because I will not ever stop. What did I think about this game? I actually freaking liked it. It was simple. It was fast-paced for what it was worth. It's just side-scrolling. Anyway, I would give it 4 out of 5 spiked triangles of death. Freaking hate triangles right now, and I hate all squares that are not orange. Yeah. It just makes me upset thinking about it. Next game. Okay, next we're gonna play yet another cat game. I don't know why I keep getting cat games, but we're gonna play No Luca No. Here we go. No Luca No. Hold right stick. Okay, so that's what you do when you don't hold right stick. What the hell's going on here? That's all you do, you hold right stick? No. Oh!
No, Luca. No.
Oh, he came up me fast. No, Luca.
No.
Bad kitty! Bad kitty!
Bad kitty!
So apparently this is the whole game so far. Maybe I have to score a certain amount to get to the next level. I love the fact that it's basically like 2 JPEGs by game already. Okay, so when I said that simple games are great, this is a prime example of it. I think the thing is, the longer you wait, the more you score.
No.
No, bad kitty. So this is No Luca No. I'm just gonna give it a freaking 5 out of 5. Oh, Luca, drinking the milk, you're drinking the milk. There's nothing you do with this. It's f***ing hilarious, and that's why I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. Hungry, hungry nom-cats. So I'm gonna throw in an arcade game in there today, just for good measure. We're gonna play Voltron.
Voltron was needed once more.
Oh, this is sweet. Oh, I feel so, this is fantastical. Shoot everything. Oh, this is actually a lot cooler than I thought it was gonna be. Who do we kill? We kill everything. Kill all the people. Pounce. I like this pounce attack. Pounce attack. Oh, there's flames coming out of my butt. It's like I just had Chipotle. Oh, I like this one because I don't feel like I'm gonna have an epileptic seizure, which is prominent of most of the freaking indie games. Apparently, I'm defending the universe right now, so you guys, I'm killing you guys. Pouncing. So kill all the things is the objective for Voltron. If you can do that, if you can just kill everything in sight, then you can play this game. So I guess there's multiplayer, so that might be more fun if you can play co-op. I wish there was like a first person view. Generally a pretty good game, I guess. I prefer something that's a little bit that makes a little bit more sense. Like I would like clear objectives. I rate this game 3 Zarkons out of 5 Zarkons, only because he's not in this game. I haven't seen him yet. Those are the games for this week. Let me know in your comments below, or you can always tweet me. I'll probably be starting to throw in some PS3 games and stuff. For now, if you find any arcade games or indie games on Xbox Live that you think is fun for me to play, you can always let me know. I'll see you next week, and I hope you guys have a great one until then. また来週ね!